Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to launch Streameast on your Amazon Firestick. Since Streameast is a browser-based service, you don't need to install it from the Amazon App Store or sideload it as a third-party app. You can use it directly through a browser. So, in this case, we are going to need Silk Browser pre-installed on your Amazon Firestick. Select it. Wait for loading. And we have to go in the search bar. Okay. To watch Streameast on your Firestick, as I said, you have to use the Silk browser. But you have to go to the Streameast's official website. The original website of Streameast was streameast.live, but it's no longer available now. So we are making this new site up, which is streameast.app. And I'll write it down. Gonna take a while. Start app. And we hit go. Okay. Now that we are on the Streameast official page, we scroll down and we are gonna check everything that would appeal us. See? That's everything from NBA, MLB, UFC, NHL, everything. Just click in one of the channels here, live, and see. Anything else to do. It's really simple. And that's pretty much it. Easy and fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.